Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today I will guide you through top 5 Excel shortcuts which saves our time and effort. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and tips. We will start from number 5. If you have huge amount of data like this and it takes time to scroll down till the end, instead press Ctrl arrow down key. It will take us to the last cell. Number 4, scroll up. Now press Ctrl up arrow key. It will take us to the first row. Number 3, Ctrl G. If you press Ctrl plus G, it will take us to the specific cells. Ctrl G. Here, for example, I want E100. Okay, it will take us to E100. Number 2, Ctrl H, which is used for replace text. In the part 2, here we have Texas. Press Ctrl H. Here we have Texas. Originally Texas it contains only one X, but here we have two X's. I want to replace with Texas with one X. Replace all. Okay. Close. As you can see, all Texas are replaced with one X. The last one, the number 1, Control T, which is used to change to table. Control T. Okay. As you can see here, our data is changed into table. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.